Hello guys, in today's video, I'm gonna show you how to hide and set password in your important files in your laptop or PC. Let's go. You can check the code on my video description. Delete your password goes here. Type your desired password. Click Save As. Save as, type as all files. Change .bat files type. You can see that there is locker folder name. Save your files in locker folder. As you can see, the locker folder is gone and your folder now has a password. To open your important files, click Authorized Only. Type your password. Now we will hide your authorized only.bat. Click Hidden. As you can see, your files is hid. Now I will show you how you can see your important files. Click View. Click Hidden Items. Now you can hide your important files and you can set password. I hope you like my video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Keep safe. Always God bless us all.